5-minute arm sequence. Here we go. Arms are out in a T and 1 minute each, 5 exercises. First, you're just gonna lift and bring it down. See my hands? I'm gonna lift, touch the top of the wrists and bring it down. Touch and open. Touch and open. Gently touching the tops of my wrists together. And just slowly opening the fingertips. See the fingertips? I'm releasing the tight grip we have on the phone, on the steering wheel. All right, here we go, 1 minute. Up and down. I'm bending down a little bit so you can see my wrists. It's touching and opening. Touching and opening. I didn't know I was gonna have to do a squat in this video. That's not fair. Anyways, you can do this sitting up at the desk. You can do it standing like I'm doing or sitting down in your chair. All right, good job. Woo. 10 seconds. Up and down. In a T and opening the chest muscles. Oh yes, great job. Okay, next one, arms in a goalpost. You're gonna bring it back and forth. So my elbows are drawing a little rainbow and I'm crushing the walnut. Crush, crush, crush. So squeezing that walnut between the shoulder blades. All right, that's sort of a Pilates cue because in Pilates we talk about building better posture. So the goal of this 5-minute video is that you do not put your arms down, all right? So you're just gonna bring it back, back, back. Try to keep those elbows at shoulder height. This is a lot more challenging than it looks. So if you're watching this right now, join me. All right, now again, just your body weight, no weights here. All right, but 5 straight minutes. You got it. Whew, timing us here. You're doing great. You ready for the next one? Okay, hold it up, don't let it go. You're just gonna high five down and up. Hit it and lift, hit it and lift, hit and lift. See my elbows? I wanna try to keep those nice and tall at shoulder height. Hit and lift, hit and lift. My fingertips are still really wide, giving myself a high five, right? Like a high five on Friday. I'm dating myself, right? Nobody does high fives anymore, they do pound it, right? High five, up. Great job, you're about halfway through your 3rd minute. Down and up, keeping a 90-degree angle with both arms. All right, they're like goalpost arms, right? I know, you with me? I hope so. It's Friday here in Boston, August 6th, am I right? Yes, August 6th. Uh-oh, we're on to our 4th minute. Ready? So your fingertips are spread like nice wide starfish. You're gonna punch, push it through, up. So same thing we did before, but you punch, open, punch, open, punch, open. So this is 1 minute of each exercise. All right, you guys are doing great. Punch, open, yes, punch, open, punch. You got it, punch. So, starting to run out of breath here. And I'm definitely feeling it in the upper arms. OMG, feels so good. So this sequence is for people who are sitting at the desk all day and maybe end up with like tight neck, tight shoulders at the end of the day if they're stressed out about something or other, right? We tend to kind of raise our shoulders up and the trap muscles are overworked and our chest muscles are typically overworked because we're sort of forward, right? We're all kind of like forward throughout the day, holding the phone, the computer. Anyways, back to the punch throughs. 2 more. Now, that's your little pep talk for this last exercise. So your arms are in a T, but you're gonna bring your palms behind you. So now we're pushing it back. So pinkies up, okay? Thumbs down, lock your elbows. 1 minute. lift, lift. Looking down at my clock, lift, lift. My trusty little old-fashioned clock I got at Target. It's still working for me. Target's got some really nice stuff right now. Have you guys been in there lately? I went in there last week with Kate. Lock your elbows. Do not let those hands kind of bend, right? So long wrists, long elbows. Anyway, I went into Target last week. They've got some really nice stuff. I was just saying to my oldest son who's moving into an apartment, like, you should go check out what they've got, you know? A lot of nice stuff. We got a bookshelf and a nice recycling bin. What else do we get? Just like, of course, you get like the cleaning supplies. How you doing? I know. All right, you've got 15 seconds. OMG, pinkies to the ceiling, thumbs down, palms behind you, little pulses up, 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 10 more. 10, pick up your pace. 9, 8, 7, you can do it. 6, come on. 5, I'm feeling it. 4, I've got this. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Have a good day.